Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? So this is the final video for fractions till 6 exercise 6a part, okay, where I will be explaining addition and subtraction of different fractions. Okay, so hopefully you have understood the last 3 videos, and this is the 4th video with regards to fraction, where I will be explaining addition and subtraction. Okay, so let us say we'll start with addition. Both addition and subtraction we can do it in the same way. Okay, just for addition we need to do plus, and for subtraction we need to do minus, right? So but there are different in terms of, let's say, like fractions. For example, if the denominator is same, for example, addition, let's say, if the denominator of 2 fractions are same or 3 fractions are same, how to add them? It's very easy. Let's say, let us consider 3 fractions. Okay, so if the denominator is same, how do we add? First of all, what we do is make a straight line, then put the denominator, same denominator. Since the denominators are same, we put 7 over here as the LCM, because we know that if the same numbers, if we take the LCM of same numbers, the LCM is always that particular number. So 7, 7 and 7, the LCM will also be what? 7. Okay, then what we need to do, we just need to add the numerators, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. It's very simple. So answer is what? 6 by 7. Okay, so if you have fractions with the same denominators, you can just add them up, just add the numerators, and your answer will be very easy. Like, you can easily find out the answer. This type of addition is only in case of what? Same denominator. Similarly, you can also do it for subtraction as well. Let's say suppose 5 by 7, or let's say 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Okay, so if you have same denominator, just do the subtraction of the numerators. So 5 minus 2 minus 1, so 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 by 8. Again, if you see that you can reduce a fraction, say reduce to its lowest term. I've already taught you how to reduce a fraction to its lowest term. For example, you can see 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So if a fraction can be reduced, you always need to reduce it to its lowest term. So answer is 1 by 4. So the method is same. You just need to, if the denominator is same, you put the denominator, same denominator, and you just subtract the numerators. Okay, then only you can find out the answer. So in terms, if you have same denominators, the addition and subtraction is very easy. You don't need to do any sort of LCM. You just need to put the same number and just do the subtraction or addition. Okay, and finally, if you can reduce the fraction to its lowest term, you need to do that as well. Okay, I hope that's clear. Now let's move on to addition of mixed fractions. Okay, before mixed fraction, let's say addition of unlike fractions. For addition of unlike fractions, so those before, in this page what we did is the addition of like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions which have same denominators. Okay, so unlike fraction, let us say, so let us do the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions, the fractions which do not have the same denominator. So how to do it? Let's say 1 by 2 plus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 8. So these 3 denominators, they are not same, right? So what we need to do first is we need to find out the LCM of the denominators, right? So what are the LCM of denominators? 2, 7 and 8. What are the LCM? Let's find out. 2, 7, 8, ones are 2, 7 remains because 7 is a prime number, and 2 fours are 8. Again, if we divide, sorry, this is 4, okay. 2 ones are, 7 remains, 2 twos are. So what will be the LCM? LCM is 2 into 2 into 7 into 2. So that is 2 twos are 4, 4 sevens are 28, 28 twos are 56. Okay, so the LCM is 56. So let's put it up. First of all, what we need to do, we need to draw a line, and then we need to write the LCM over here, that is 56. Okay, now what to do? So first of all, what we need to do is we need to divide this LCM with the each denominator. So what is 56 divided by 2? So first of all, what we need to do is division. Okay, so 56 divided by 2 is what? 28. Again, after you get an answer, after division, what do you get? You get an answer, that is 28. Okay, 56 divided by 2 is 28. Then you multiply it with the numerator. Okay, this is the way. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to divide the LCM with the denominator. Then the answer which you get, you need to multiply it with the numerator. So 56 divided by 2 is 28. Then 28 into 1 is 28. Then we write the answer over here. Next, we put this sign same as it is. Next, again we follow the same method. 56 divided by 7, so we need to divide. So 56 divided by 7 is what? 8. And then we multiply, we get 8. Then we multiply it with 3. So 8 into 3 is what? 24. So we put 24 over here. Okay, and finally again we put this plus sign over here. 56 divided by 8 is 7, and again 7 into 2 is what? 14. Okay, so you understood how to do it. First of all, we need to divide the LCM with the denominator. Then the answer which we get, we need to multiply it with the numerator, and then we put the answer over here. Okay, so now we just need to add 28 plus 24 is 52. 52 plus 14 is 66. So 66 by 56. So once you get 66 by 56, you need to convert into a mixed fraction. We can do it first. Let us reduce it. 2 into 33 is 66. 2 into 28 is 56. Okay, now 33 and 28, we cannot divide it with the same number, so we just convert it into mixed fraction. So 28 ones are 28. 5. So answer is quotient remainder by divisor. This is quotient remainder divisor. So answer is 1 5 by 28. Okay, so this is the way we can add unlike fractions. Okay, all right. So again, if we need to subtract, we can also follow the same way. I'll just give you an example on how to do the subtraction. For example, let us say 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay, so let us, so first what we need to do, we need to find the LCM of these three. So 2, 5 and 5. So since all these three are prime numbers, we use 2, 1, then 5, 5, then again we do it with 5, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is 2 into 5, that is 10. Okay, so we got LCM 10. Now what we do, we just draw a straight line. Then what we do, 10 divided by 2 is what? So first we divide the LCM with the denominator, then we multiply it with the numerator. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, then 5 into 5 is what? 25. Similarly again 10 divided by 5 is 2, then 2 into 3 is 6. Similarly again 10 divided by 5 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So now 25 minus 6 is 19, 19 minus 2 is 17, so we get 17 by 10. Then we convert it into mixed fraction. 10 ones are 10, 7. So quotient, remainder, divisor. So we can write 1 7 by 10. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. For unlike fractions, how can we can do addition and subtraction. Okay, next I will show how to add or subtract mixed fractions. Okay.